Good day, everyone. I am Eliza Jusmaparan, second year Bachelor of Arts in Communication and Media Studies. So I am the last reporter of Module 9, the Vygotsky Sociocultural Theory. When the more knowledgeable other, or the MKO, scaffolds, the process moves in four levels. First is I do, you watch, I do, you help, you do, I help, you do, I watch. Learning will depend on the skill of the more knowledgeable other or the MKO, and the learner's readiness and ability to learn and the difficulty of the skill being learned. Sa learning, kung gaano kagaling, kahasa ang more knowledgeable other. If he or she is not that good enough for a particular skills, then he or she teaches the learner, and the learner will follow his or her footstep. The more knowledgeable other is the direct reference of the learner. The performance of the more knowledgeable other will directly affect the learner. For example, I'm going to kuan sa classroom setup. If ang teacher mahina ang boses tapos hindi masyadong na-understand ng students, it will directly affect them. Do you think they will have this fast learning attitude or they will have that struggle na mag-learn? So here's a Vygotsky sociocultural theory. Socialization is very important. Why? Because if you have that kind of social skills on how to deal with different people, different ages, you will have that high chance to influence them easily or teach them about these particular skills, and the learner will have that kind of interested attitude towards you. Nagiging madali ng isang bagay sa'yo kasi marunong kang mag-socialize or makisama sa isang tao. Dito nakikita natin ang socio-cultural theory model. So nakikita niyo yung sa left side, sa pinakababa, yung arrow na yan, yan yung beginner level ng isang learner. So kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, yung perspective ng more knowledgeable one, dito yung first step at second step. Yung sinasabi ko na I do, yung perspective ng more knowledgeable other. I do, you watch. I do, you help. Parang nag-i-instruct ka sa isang learner or like tinuturuan mo siya ng bagay. So kung nagawa mo na to, you have basic knowledge na or like foundation of how these particular things work. Tapos, yung zone of proximal development, nakikita nyo yung putol-putol na line? That is the zone of proximal development. So what is proximal development? Ito yung pag-a-attempt ng isang child to perform a skill alone. Kasi gituruan na siya, may basic knowledge na siya, so gagawa siya ng sarili niya lang. So dito din, ma-i-execute yung step 3 at 4, yung perspective ng more knowledgeable other. You do, I watch. You do, I help. So along the way, habang nasa zone of proximal development yung learner, nagwa-watch yung more knowledgeable other, tapos mag-help din siya along the way papunta dun sa another level which is the learning. Yung finally, na-learn niya na yung isang bagay. So that's how socio-cultural theory works. So, sa application tayo, choose a skill that you are good in. So, napili ko is guitar. So, identify an individual to whom you can teach these skills. Somebody will benefit from scaffolding. So, yung napili ko is yung roommate ko. Break down the steps you will teach in teaching a skill. So, yung sa akin is first i-introduce ko muna sa kanya anong benefits when you know how to play this kind of instrument. Second, I will influence her because she likes to play but don't know where to start. Third is I will teach her how to know the parts and to learn how to hold that guitar, how to learn guitar strumming pattern and guitar strings, fretboard, tune the guitar, how to play basic guitar chords, the major chords, and number 4, determine how you will use scaffolding. Describe the specific actions. teach the skill to the individual, describe how the learning activity went. So yung describe how the learning activity went is first, sobrang nahihirapan muna siya sa actual level o yung beginner level. But as long as tinuturuan ko siya is nag-i-improve siya. Tapos to the point na siya na mismo ang nagpe-play ng sarili niya. Tapos nakapunta na siya doon sa learning, which is na-learn niya na how to play this kind of instrument. And that's how social interaction, the language, the culture, the environment plays an important role to the learner. So they learn by doing, and the people around them, especially the more knowledgeable other. And that's all. Thank you.